Hi, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Beaugier. I'm owner of MountainView Veterinary Hospital in Rockaway, New Jersey. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to pill your cat, which seems to be the most common problem that we have with owners when we dispense oral medication. This is Ashley. She's a feral kitty. She's a cat who was found outside, and we brought her in to be spayed with us. And she's going to be our guinea pig, so to speak, today. And so let's get started. We're going to put Ashley down here. Now, the most common medication that's dispensed for cats are pills. Pills are typically, I find them easier because if they spit them out, you can pick them up and try again, as opposed to a liquid where you try to put it in the mouth and they start slinging their head and it's all over the place. So let's work with a pill. So what you do is God put these great little handles on the side of a cat's head, which, the bones of their skull. You want to hold on to there and open up the bottom jaw just like that. And that's going to wind up opening up their mouth. Now, there's a few things that you can do once their mouth is open. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to turn her around this way. Once their mouth is open, you can either pop the pill down in their throat, just like that. If that doesn't seem to work, you can use something called a pill gun. A pill gun is a very simple apparatus. It has a little plunger on the end, and it has this rubber tip on the other side, and that's not going to hurt the back of her throat. As long as you can get the pill at the back of her throat, you're not going to cause any problems. You're going to make sure that it gets down her throat. So here we are. We're going to put a pill in the end of the pill gun, and we're going to just pop it right down her throat, just like that, just like that. Okay, let's just try that one more time. Simply just like that. There we go. Empty down her throat, and sometimes what you can do is hold her mouth closed and just blow a little bit in her mouth. And did you see her tongue go? When their tongue comes out, you pretty well know that she's swallowed. So there you go. You know that your cat has been successfully pilled. Now, not all kitties are as good as Ashley, who's still for adoption, by the way. So later on, we're going to show you how to pill a cat who may be a little bit more challenging. Occasionally, you have a kitty who's not as amenable as Ashley to have a pill shoved down their throat. So this is Jasmine, and Jasmine can occasionally be very unpredictable, and we don't always appreciate having to put a pill down Jasmine's throat. So today, we're going to attempt to put a pill down Jasmine's throat without causing any kind of bloodshed. And we're trying to do this very quickly before Jasmine gets very, very upset with us. So if you're at home and you're watching this and you're afraid of blood, if I were you, I would probably shut off your television at the moment. So what you want to do, if you recall, is to put your hands on the sides of her head just like this and open up her mouth just like that. And pill guns work very well with cats who are very aggressive because the pill gun takes the place of your fingers, and you don't want your finger to be bitten. It's okay if the pill gun gets bitten. And you want to put this in the back of her throat just like that. Hold her chin up. Blow in her face a little bit, and when you see her tongue sort of flick out, or not, flick your tongue. Jasmine, please. Flick your tongue, please. Jasmine, you're not working with me.
If you let her head go, she will.
There you go. And then we're just going to, now you don't have to do this at home, but I'm going to take a look. I'm going to put my head, no, I'm just kidding. Okay, very good, it's all gone. But that's another way that you can go ahead and pill your kitty. Now I understand that you won't have these gloves at home. These are leather gloves that are specifically designed for veterinary hospitals or animal handlers. You can also do something called a kitty burrito, in which you use a towel or whatever you have handy in order to cover the kitty. You would cover her just like this so that only her head is sticking out. That way you keep her claws at bay so that she can't get you with that. And the only defense mechanism she has is with her teeth in order to draw blood from the nearest area that she has in order to kill you with. And then you can open up her mouth just like that. Lastly, oral medications, you can certainly do that as well. Sometimes you can just put it in their food, although cats unfortunately can be very sneaky with putting medications in their food. They just will eat around it. But if worse comes to worse, you can contact us at rockawayvet.com and we may have some alternatives for you. Now we're going to show you how to pill a dog, which is a little bit easier than pilling a cat. With a dog, you just want to put the pill in a little bit of a treat, whether it be cream cheese or peanut butter or whatever you happen to have at home. And you just go, Isaac, here you go. There you go. A little bit easier than pilling a cat. If you have any questions, you can reach us on the web at rockawayvet.com. Thank you.